Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continued support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yeah, so this is going to be a series of General Starkey, his cousin. She had witnessed the morning that he was killed by the police. And you can see one of the main departure lounge specialists, that man name is Tom Levine. So you hear them talk about other police, Tom Levine, Trinity, that are Keith Trinity Gardner from Rima, Tony Hewitt and Calvin Benjamin. Them kill 9 dangerous criminals in Jonestown, Kingston 12. And people say Tom Levine to the world. So them say, although the media say it was 8, the people them say are really 9. But I don't know them come by that. Some people say, no, 8 and 9. One of the youth was no bad man and all them things there. The media say 8, people say 9. I don't know them come by that, but you understand, so. Yeah, this is going to be a series, so you're going to hear it for yourself. As we tell you, over here is not an entertainment channel. You hear it for yourself because, yeah, General Starkey, Anthony Tingle cousin, she called and she clear the, correct the record. That's why we tell you, anything that we have said here and you disagree or what we have said, all you have to do is just come here and just correct the same. We have a number for the channel, 954-556-0275. And we want to first, we have to, give thanks to all of the people who have signed up for Patreon. Yes, and we can see right now is the people in the United Kingdom. They are the one that's leading the charge when they come on to the Patreon. Yeah, people in the UK. And them normally say the people them in England and they might meanest people in the world. Yeah, and you understand, but apparently, knowledge is power, you understand, because some things that are on Patreon is not on YouTube. Yes, because due to certain things. And like for even this series now, it's over 3 hours, close to 4 hours. So, a lot of editing because we have to protect people's identity and one and two little things. And we applaud, Starkey, General Starkey, cousin for come and clear the record. But honestly, even General Starkey's sister, Marlene, boy, she's evil, man. Evil. I don't know how you do it. Your mother dead and you're not even left $1. You got your own mother funeral. Say your kids them are hear that and all them things. And no worry, because your time will come to and you see him treatment and meet out to you. So you go wonder where you do, but remember, so you do you abandon your mother and behave like your mother and your mother. How if you do that? And then you pretend like you're miss goody and you're not good. And you understand, you're evil, wicked. You're a wicked woman and them thing there. So I want you to listen, you watch, you listen, and you decide. This is part 1. It's going to be long part. If you want the entire thing, you know where you have to go already. You have to subscribe to Patreon and you will get it. This is almost 4 hours. Yeah, we I tell you. And I did even more, so we have to do a lot of editing because some people still alive, you understand what I'm saying, and one and two little things, and some things we have to edit because of due to certain things, you understand. So you watch, you listen, you decide. And anyway, Tom Levine, big up yourself, Tom Levine. Yeah, man, you're the boss. Yes, if you are someone who's from the, inner city or ghetto, like, like where I'm from, you know, a majority of Jamaicans, normally see them in a bad light. So, ghetto people, they are the epitome of criminals, because that's the way that they were raised, cultured, nurtured, domesticated, and socialized to be, criminal minded. And even, although you have some people living there and them indulge in a criminality, when I say indulge, them benefit from it, but after a while, people grow up or, and realize, boy, that's a wrong way to live. And sometimes the environment where you live, force you into a certain lifestyle. So you're going to hear from this woman. As well, you still say, just look at your thumbnail. So this is going to be a lengthy video. Yeah, especially for, people who are on Patreon. And it's going to cover, various topics. So hope, you're just ready, for, what's coming. You understand? This is going to be the full video, yeah, man, of a witness, yeah, General Starkey cousin. She witnessed the morning when, when he was shot and killed by the police in a shootout. He and 7 other men. Them say it was 8, them say 9, but, the media say it's 7, but the people in a Jonestown say 9. So, you understand? So from ever since the media and the people in Jamaica, they are loggerheads, you understand? So I just saw it go. So we want you to, so we're going to give you a briefing of what you're going to hear. As we tell you, this is an entertainment channel, and you're going to hear historical things. So you're going to hear General Starkey receive a forewarning from Member of Parliament, Anthony Spaulding. Yeah, them call him Tony Spaulding. They build all the complex of him, the football field, in a jungle on Collis Smith Drive, concrete jungle. You can stay at Curry Parkway and watch it, or if you're at Havana and, one of these housing complex in jungle. Yeah, so, and, so Tony Spaulding, one General Starkey about his impending demise because a whole heap of people are shot. War, them are war. All of them call themselves socialists. All of them in our community, them are war. And he must say, boy, him no want no more shot fire. So shortly after that, he and others, including Willie Agat, that are, Willie Agat more, them sought protection from the security forces and their enemies through an obia man, the ritual involving protective bath. You're going to hear all of them things because I saw a long time bad man believe in that obia business, So I just know. And then believe in this bath. However, they did not adhere to the traditional waiting period of 3 days before bathing, except for Willie Agat, who abstained and consequently survived the fatal error. So the Obi man tell them, say, look here, don't bathe for 3 days, and boy, you don't know to the man them want, them want skins, or you want to say them want pum pum, so then go bathe. All of them will bathe except Willie Agat. Him never bathe. So the night before their deaths on June 1st, so that you understand, 1981, reggae dancehall artist Eka Mouse claimed to witness former SSP Calvin Benjamin, bad police firing shots alongside General Starkey at a dance, suggesting an exchanging of firearms. So he must say, Eka Mouse, I say, boy, General Starkey and Calvin Benjamin, no nonsense, police is still doing it, but say Benjamin mentioning like killing of 2 other policemen, Tony you were taught by East. If you listen to Detective Marsh tell you, and you hear Licky 13 tell you some things about them, and there are some dangerous police them back in at them time, play with them, Them time there was Wild West. And so, a police like me would all dead easily. Because you think so boy, a XP the court outside was a criminality big time. I saw them used to do it back then. Yeah, so so them say boy, that's what Ecamo says. So however, General Starkey's relatives and witnesses dispute this account, asserting that SSP Benjamin was absent. So when name Ecamo say boy Benji was there. And the people them say no, I lie him tell them thing there. And even him family, because them say no shot them a fire the dance tonight, so that a lie. He come out said him a General Starkey and a friend, he was there the morning. You understand when the shooting happened. And I do believe that if something like that did happen on him thing there, like what he come out says, the police are gonna spare him because he would have secret with Benji and Benji was there that morning so. You understand? So and you're going to hear that General Starkey, who had a daughter, raised in a Tivoli Gardens, tragically lost her life to violence instigated by Grandspend Dan Andrew Pang, leading to the police them have to take action and Renita Adams, and dust out Andrew Pang. So General Starkey daughter, she was a police officer, her name is Karen Tinglin. Yeah man, Karen Tingle from Rima. Yeah, it was his daughter. I used to live at Lizard Town, and Lizard Town is right beside Tivoli Gardens, so that's where she's from. Excuse me, Erona say Rima, she's in Tivoli Gardens. You're going to hear that Portia Simpson had affiliations with Payne Avenue Dance, Papa John and Tucker Keith. So when pressure mounted on Tucker Keith, and he was killed, prompting Papa John to flee to the United States. Them my brother, and you understand, so them killed Tucker Keith up at Payne Avenue, and Papa John was the other brother. Him just leave, you understand. So notably General Starkey, Lester Lloyd Coke, Jim Brown and Christopher Dudus Coke, this is first Jamaica gonna hear this. They are relative, them are family, blood cousin. You're going to hear this from General Starkey cousin too. Yes. So it's biological for them for violent and them things there. So Dudus, General Starkey and Jim Brown, them are family. You're going to hear how them come to be related because Lizard Town and Tivoli Garden are side and side, and you understand. So in reflection, it's caution that certain family members may pose a risk when relocated to America due to their involvement in Jamaican conflicts. Their ingratitude, them ungrateful and deceitful tendency make them hazardous to those who extend assistance. So you're going to hear on them thing there, because we have a conversation. Most people, and you get to understand now when you live in America, you understand why most people do not help them Jamaican relatives to migrate because of the ungrateful tendency. Yes, and even yours truly experience the same. Yeah man, experience the same. Seeing family member help others and them see man say, oh, I did them, I plan to kill the person, we bring them come to America. May I tell you, yeah man, in America. You understand what I'm saying? So, and you're going to hear, after even a man we bring him own brother come here where shouldn't even come. Because his mother said, I bring him because he's wicked and him kill the other brother. May I tell you, the one that fight for him come here. So, don't be shocked and dismay when family members, when them reach America, them not help you. It's because of the tendency of the ungratefulness and deceitfulness of Jamaican people back home, and them not appreciate kindness. You understand? Yes. So there are allegations surrounding police. And this is an allegation, this is a serious thing, big youth. Yeah man, police Big Youth and Barrington, police Barry Hamilton, accusing them of criminal activities while wearing the uniform of law enforcement officers and supposedly act in allegiance with the PNP criminal organization. These police officers were criminals, I tell you, I saw them issuing guns when I was a little boy. Yes. So these allegations including arming youths returning from Cuba as brigadistas who were then involved in violent acts against supporters of the opposing party. So in contrast, So them say Edward Seaga a wickedest thing we ever happened to Jamaica. So we are going to tell you now, we are going to debunk that as a youth born and grow in our PMP community, and a youth can think, and as a detective. That's why people like me, hey, look here, over here saying, young thing you get the truth. You know, I get no sugar coat, and when I say nothing for soothe nobody feelings or no ego. Over here say you get the raw truth. We are the only YouTube channel, you know, we lose close to 15,000 subscribers, you know, because we talk the truth. We're not telling a lie because we want views. We are telling the truth. If you're a thief, we are going to tell us you're a thief. We're not going to tell us boy you're an angel or you're an altar boy. We are doing a disservice by telling you a lie. And like for all George Pang and all them man, they were a bad man. If you shame away they do in I pass, all people are telling lie upon you. And you would do it in a virgin. So you just suck it up. I just saw it go. No, you boast so much people, you kill and all them things, and you not give people history. So all of a sudden, boy, I don't want nobody talk about that. What you them not take away your license gun, because you can send man go kill Shane Dallin and Hardly Carter, because you have whole heap illegal gun. Them not touch you, them will touch a police when they have them links there. You understand? You see, you untouchable, you know, man. Because you don't pay on the dues in criminality. I saw it going to Jamaica. You know. Angela Brownbrook, fear her father, Tony Brown, killed Ted Ogilvy, run over Cuba for 13 years, and come back, get big dance, celebrate with all the Prime Minister of Jamaica, and gun salute, and see if him daughter that she in a parliament now and them thing there. So, we don't know, maybe you, George Pang and all them man there, and Dana Williams now, maybe you know, the next set now supposed to get some form of numeration for you understand, for crime when commit on behalf of a PMP criminal organization. Just like how Dana Williams get the whole heap of money from the Operation Pride and then him filter it in a party for re-election. That's how it got. So he thinks we are idiot. We are all detective now. We know what happened. Yeah, so yeah man, so we see big youth and police bar them used to come and pick up the gunman them. Gunman, you know, man with them illegal gun, you know, them M16, you know, go in a police vehicle, you know. Yeah man, and them guy read my your whole heap of shot and then come back and tell you who then kill. And them thing that's reporting in news like drive by our police not own it, and when although the people them say police, the police I say no, I'm not a police car, we're not on a police vehicle where they go down. I saw it years ago, you know, because the police were in cahoots with the criminals them back then. In the 70s, we I tell you. So that's why enough people don't like we, because we are talking the truth. I just saw it go. We not, hey look here, we not tell nobody nothing to make you feel comfortable, you know, that's a real truth. So as them telling them say Edward Seaga wicked this man. And you understand. But we are telling now, so Edward Seaga is remembered by us for his love for Jamaica and its people. Unlike his political counterpart, Michael Manley, who reportedly sent 2,500 young men, including General Starkey, Peter Metro, Trevor Bulgin Bennett, a prominent bigger this time, my number one. Him, of all of them, that I man, my marksman, him a sharpshooter. Him can, some things where him can do, others can't do it. How are you, my sister?
I'm alright.
Yeah, man, we get a message, so yeah, so you finally get to talk. You get to talk with me now.
Yeah. I've been listening to your program, and I a lot of lies and make up stuff about it. And you know, alright, me and Tony are cousin.
I mean a lot of, I mean a lot of, which Tony? I mean Tony.
Anthony Tinga Starkey, that's my cousin, my first cousin. I listen to the program with you and his sister Marlene.
Yeah. Oh, but so you know Marlene?
Of course, I'm a cousin.
Oh, okay.
I'm an auntie only daughter.
Oh, okay.
But listen, I'm listening to Marlene. Marlene don't really know the details of Starkey growing up and all of that, because she grew up Harborview, she and Michael.
Okay, so on the uptown she grew then on them thing there.
No, Harborview, our auntie used to teach at Central Branch School.
So hold on it. So you said that, so basically you are saying that Marlene a lie then, because if she not grow uptown on them thing there, she
grew up Harborview. Remember, Harborview is like a residential area.
Yeah, but Harborview on the uptown.
Listen, on the uptown, like St. Andrew.
Yeah.
They go to Harborview.
Yeah.
But remember, back in those days, not nowhere, say, Gonna fire everywhere.
Yeah.
Harborview was like a residential area. A splash area.
Yeah, back then, yeah. But
Yes.
uptown, but turn uptown on them things.
And uptown.
So so Marlene just Marlene just want to say boy she don't want to associate herself them, so she just say boy uptown she used to live.
Well, listen, if you listen to the stigma in our conversation, you know, Marlene go like say, even when her mother dead, when my auntie dead, me did down there. And me call her. I feel make me and her make her in because me and my auntie was very close. I love the auntie then.
That's a fear mother.
Yeah, auntie Enid. And she go away and don't even left $1 to bury my auntie.
Allah you tell. Her mother?
She not go with auntie Enid in her.
No, it not really matter. As she birth your man, you understand? You don't care about that and them thing. Yeah. One thing, you know, hey, look here, my mother always say you can't use a next man finger and show God. Yeah,
but let me tell you, I don't know, them have my auntie after a while when she very young, my granny did tell me, it's like she talk to herself and thing, but not the way auntie me say she crazy.
Hey, you know, so me talk to a police and them thing where they raid your Enid house down a Lizard Town, because she was an Indian woman.
She not Indian, she half white. Her father is a sailor. So it's you see Marlene, you see that's the thing with Marlene now.
That's why she get there.
Right. The thing with Marlene, because my grandmother is a maroon, you know. Yeah. She black and good looking, and then what happened is when my grandfather have my first auntie, when my granny did pregnant with my first auntie. Yeah. And my first auntie know Mr. Pete. Him come a foreign and
Mr. who?
Mr. Pete, that's my grandfather.
Oh, okay.
Him come a foreign and through my granny them used to work, all of them used to work on a craft market. I guess them used to dibble and dabble with sailor.
You know, so go on them things.
So I saw my auntie come with a pretty hair, because every time she come at the yard, I comb her hair, me in her hair, and she
you love it, yeah.
Yeah, me love her hair, me love my auntie, man. And
so she met Marlene have a long hair?
Well, Mr. Sidney was kind of Indian too.
Oh, her father?
Yeah, for them side of family was mixed with Indian. Pretty year too. But anyway, and she don't even mention her little brother where they are Jamaica, a white arms. Because my auntie have 2 full-fledged white picnic, you know, Lassell and Victor. Oh yes. And me and my daughter, but them people them kind of selfish and them go like say, you know, because even when she go away, I never Victor you know, talk to me and think I and Sophia Spratt put together and put to the funeral. Oh, for Enid? Right. So she never but remember say she married in a family where them have money, no? Yeah, but the money down there, but them you say for the families, cause them people them kind of go on like so because them have like an education. No. Them go on like them rare and them no why, cause she go on like even when she never tell her husband about we she take, cause when me talk to her on the phone, no, cause do in the park, she does stay. Victor give me the number. And I say to her, say, make her meet up and see and put something together for Enid. But you know, cause I know she alone couldn't do it. She go away. Victor called me and tell me say she left and no left no money. She left Jamaica and come back to America? Yeah, go back a foreign. So she not got a mother funeral? Hell no, my auntie buried in February and I think I was in December or November my auntie did dead. Which year that? Let me see, I did down there from 99. I think it was either 2000 or 2001 my auntie did. I'm not quite sure. I'm have to ask my sister. Yeah, that's a wicked. No, man. Oh, your mother for dead. No. Well, that's all them is. Them should never regard Enid. No, them not regard Enid, you know. No, man. But because Enid down there, she has sent things to her husband, family, man. The things them now reach Enid. Really? Yeah. Right, so Enid not get nothing. So when me say Enid dead and me go up there, the roof, me stand up in the roof and I look up in the sky. Stand up in the living room and I look up in the sky. I knew more than my auntie dead with it. Hey, look here. Let me tell you something between me and him thing there. Let me tell you this and him thing there. You see from me join police force. Cause I tell you this and him thing there. Cause you know, say I see him community me come from. My mother impart a lot of things to me.
You see, like how you see police. Police everywhere they gonna have pitney. Me never do that. Cause my mother tell me, say, hey, look here, me no want time you get paid and you have to take bus cause this. So all of them things are rabbit in my head. She tell me, say, don't go live with no woman cause you not gonna have nothing. Me never do that either. You understand? Cause she saying, whole heap of police me tell them things there, you know. So me show you, so my mother is a good woman, you know. So all of them things.
Me have a son where he married and him and him wife there for 10 years till she walk out. Him not run around and him grow with family member them and see them run around and with a much different woman and him not still like.
Well, you know, sometimes you're young before you reach like 30, you know, you understand, especially when you're police and them things.
All right, me know you have a lot of time, so me can't
look here. Me not tell a lie on them things. Between me and you, although I first may talk to you, it come like me even know, yeah, because you, because, I'm tell you, me love when people honest on them things. Because me say, man, me no shame. You saw me I grow in the 80s, me shame where me come from, you know. Me I tell you, you know.
Me never shame where me
come
from.
Because you don't know the stigma on him. You see all the time, after me go live all of mother country, people look on you like you're a criminal, like say, nothing good no come from Jonestown, you know.
No man, liar, doctor.
No, me talk.
I run at the gully bank.
Yeah, me talk.
Run a girl in street. You know how much liar and doctor come from around this on a town.
Yeah, but how many of them proud to say them come from around here?
People proud for say them come
some
from.
Some of them.
Some people on Facebook, you know, say, don't know where me come from. We have a club named Base One, and one of the youth him live in Canada, and him still post picture when any one of the member them drop out and think him put up picture and then something. So you know, round where let me tell you where we are come from.
Well,
that's why I left the message and tell you say Tony wasn't a raper. Let me tell you where we are come from.
All right,
Bakawal.
Yeah, let me tell you how that come in on them thing there. All right, wait. Let me tell you why that come in on them thing there. You know in time men have sex with children under girls under 16.
Well, me know say the little girl them is like me have a fetish for little girl.
Then it man, and I like saying hold them and
but
take it.
But I rape, me see them come.
Yes, but I tell you say under the law, them can't give consent.
Yeah, but them used to come because they never used to go look for them and them come. All right.
Yeah.
Is that only thing I have to tell you? But I don't know if I can do it.
No, man, you can, man, because it seems like you have a more intimate relationship with them than Marley.
Of course, then here the Sunday before him dead, him look for me now and say, yeah, my favorite cousin, you know, I love you, you know, I say, but no. And him say, John, no, enough thing, them see my brother and cousin them always bring me. I don't know why them always come tell me what them do. Alright, let me tell you something now.
Alright, before you go no further on them thing there, me like how you're honest on them thing there. The thing with where Marlene say I did Michael kill the woman at a betting shop. You remember that killing there and them thing there, and it helped contribute to him death and Tony Welch them.
You see, if you listen to me, I'm gonna tell you everything.
Alright, me listen.
Me tell you everything. But me I tell you more, you know, have an idea where we are come from.
Yes.
We live at Bakawal, that's before Tivoli built up.
Yeah.
When we never move away till when Siago come with the bulldozer and a bulldozer. That time was 3 years, but still remember.
Yeah, man, that can't leave out of your memory.
Auntie did live down there with the white picking them. Siago take where they picking them from Auntie. She never have them because even when we go up a Manningsville go live, my father carry a Manningsville go live. A Manningsville school we go. When we used to come back at town, back and forth, because we auntie and we mother used to carry, we go our auntie, we go our grandmother, we go visit them same way. But we father carry we up a man in Zilgoli, say City Kingston, I go burn down. That time I look at my father like a madman, we don't know where I talk about.
Yeah.
So when we come at town now, come look. Auntie, remember when my mother carry at town, Auntie they live at Chestnut Lane. I don't remember the address right now, but if I forgot it, we can't tell us Auntie they live in that yard.
Yeah.
All right. She live on Wildman Street. Two different streets she live on out of East. Remember them time there no politics war, you know.
Yes,
them
man.
time there was gang war. Spanglers. Starkey was Spanglers.
Yeah.
Him used to par with the Regent Street, man, them the Wellington Street, my kind of Spanglers base at them place there. Bread Lane. So when me hear about the Labour Right Party and him have to run with Starkey never have to run because one thing, nobody can run him, no man can run him. Them man, them just, and him no look bad. Him have a, if you look on him picture, you know, say he's a decent, good looking person.
Me know him as somebody who me know, you know. Me know him as a little youth growing up. You know me know him.
Him used to dive and see him and Simon. When the sailor ship them come, them used to throw the kind them in the water. And the kind of good swimmer, him and Simon and my auntie.
I don't pay me learn for swimming now.
Yeah, down there you can Granny always have a stall in the craft market. And the whole we used to make the dolly them with the basket. We used to sew the clothes them and we make the mother and we auntie them that them used to live off. So let me see, what happened? 1970, I can't remember. That time I was teenager. We live at Girling Street, cause my granny, that's how we come back at town, come live. My mother said to pick me them. Cause my father, it's like we up there and certain things not right. When the granny see we don't look right and things. So she tell my mother say, she go get a tenant them in the back, run at the back part, notice and she bring her back, come at town, come live. So we come back, I remember 69, we come back at town, come live. The tenant, them never really move out yet. So my other auntie, they live a race course lane, 9 race course lane in front of Rima. Yeah. So we stay around there till when the tenant, them move, we come round a Girling Street. And we round there so till 1980. Starkey, Tony used to come at the yard regular. Remember one time when me a 10-year-old, him come at the yard one day, and my sister did have a transistor radio, nice new brand radio, and my granny wardrobe, and me see him in there search, but me never remember nothing about the radio. And it coming like I don't know, like some handset. My sister come the following day, ask for the radio, and me know me a little pick me a 10-year-old. I say, I told him I did see in there. The man and him a drink some tea in a one jam buckle. You know, they take liquor out the jam out of the buckle, wash out the buckle, and him a drink some mint tea in the buckle. Yeah. And me and my granny stand up at my veranda, our veranda right at the door, cause our veranda did have a door. Me I say, him in the house, him in and fling the buckle straight in my eye, in my left eye now. Yeah, I think my blind, and I get a cut on, and my mother carry me down public. I'm down there, and Keith, that my brother I name Keith, but I'm call him Tuko Keith. Him and George Pang come down there, cause him and George Pang, that time George Pang live up at the top of Girling Street. Slim them time, my brother used to learn trade out of Waltham. And them come down there, and I appreciate when I'm a little girl, I'm glad I say, myself, people care about me, you know, them come check for me and thing. And
hospital?
You know, yeah, and him feel it, cause when George Fang used to, alright, when him and my brother come from the trade, you know, cause them used to get a little pay, you know, every time.
Yeah, man, let me see.
And him stop, my brother stop up a female and him beard, and then him come down at my brother, down a free yard now and wait till my brother beard. And one Friday evening, remember, I look for my brother and see, my brother go back through the gate and never give me $1, and him look for my brother and say, Star, you know, give your sister them, your little sister them money. You know, see me get all of my little brother and sister them money. And I know my brother never give me $1 and him just go through the gate with George Pang. We never really care, you know. But, you know, the fact that him care, sure you say him care, him concern, and him said that, you know, to him. Me that little girl, but it touched me still, you know. So anyway, them time when me at 10, me never see Tony again when me at 10. And you know, think about him, because him never really lived there. He just only used to come there. My mother never used to live there. Always there, either my auntie yard or my mother yard. So really, me born a 44 Melchior Street. Whole heap of them, friend of them living in that yard there, 44 Melchior Street. Because even my baby father, my first baby father, when me meet him say another yard them born. And my mother, them know fee mother and father and everybody, because the whole of them living in the same yard together. So anyway, me never see him again after I fling the buckle in my head. That time I was 10 years old. Till when they're about 12. Oh, that I got happen now. But me hear my granny them I talk about some murder and jail and them something there. But me never hear the details. So one day me over all since I play now, rain it fall, and I guy follow me. Come around, a guy with all saints could follow me and him stand up at the gate. And me just see this like a short man come push up him face and him dread now, short dread and thing, look nice and thing. And him push up him face right, because I stand up on my granny fence. And him come and say, oh, this man, I don't know where you come and push up your face for me for. And him laugh and say, you don't know who, I'm me. And I say, who you? And him say, I'm me, Tony. And I say, oh, you look different. That time him just get to have a murder. The first man when him kill run a race course lane. And after me hear my granny attack how it go. The same girl the name Little June did send him the man them 2 brothers. Me don't know who them name are because I never question them or ask. But could I did ask him and he would have tell me, but me never be a little pick them, me never interested.
Yeah.
But me hear my granny attack say the brother them send Little June. Them time they're not politics. You could have go race course lane, you could have go around anyway. Because I remember me used to walk around anyway, go anywhere me want go back then. You know, before Michael Manley did win.
Yeah.
Between 70, 71 and so. The border never dry yet. You could have go anywhere. Wellington Street, walk down Wellington Street, go anyway. And when my granny, me really hear my granny says, them send Junior and the person was Little Junior. See him Junior where I go like she a gun girl. Them call her gun girl,